Welcome to the Bearing Expert Toolkit by International Source Index. As you will see from this presentation, the Bearing Expert is your complete source for all your bearing data. In the following slides, we will provide you with a quick overview of how the Bearing Expert and its data will be useful throughout your organization. What is the Bearing Expert? It is the most comprehensive bearing and seal database available worldwide. It includes over 1 million bearings in the Interchange and over 350,000 base bearing frequencies for over 100 manufacturers worldwide. What type of information will you find in the Bearing Expert? The Bearing Expert Toolkit is known for its depth of data, primarily interchange or cross-reference data, vibration data, and harmonics. However, many of our users rely on the Bearing Expert to get dimensional data for each bearing. ISI has expanded the product by offering additional reference points including diagrams, an explanation by manufacturer of their prefix and suffix nomenclature, and links to the bearing manufacturer catalogs directly from our toolkit, making the Bearing Expert your first stop for all your bearing needs. How do we get data from the Bearing Expert? There's no training required. Simply enter your part number in the box provided. You can also search by dimensions, frequencies, or bearing type and manufacturer by selecting the appropriate Search By option. Dimensions can be entered in millimeters or inches and can be entered completely or partially based on the information available. Frequencies allow you to enter the order value of the non-synchronous spectral peak suspected of being the BPFO or BPFI multiplier. When searching by type and manufacturer, be sure to use the drop-down box above and select your bearing type. Why do we need the Bearing Expert? The bottom line is the Bearing Expert saves your people time. No more phone calls to distributors, no more searching the web or looking from catalog to catalog. One click will generate an answer for you in just a few seconds. If you're looking to streamline your inventory costs, the Bearing Expert allows your storeroom and tool crib managers to quickly identify duplication in the storeroom by grouping like bearings together. When an unplanned downtime situation occurs, time is money. Being able to quickly identify an alternative bearing that can be used to get production back online will save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Between the extensive Bearing Expert data and the links to manufacturer catalogs, the Bearing Expert is your first stop to locate all of your bearing data. Thank you for taking the time to view this introductory presentation on the Bearing Expert and how it can help you in your day-to-day activities. If you have any questions about the Bearing Expert or need assistance logging into the Bearing Expert, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.